Hi guys, Crazy Steel Leather, and today it's going to be pretty heated because today I'm showing off my lighter collection. I'm not going to show off this lighter watch, because I've already shown it. So here's the three lighters in question. Starting off with the first one, real Nazi gold lighter. You can see here the inscription of the Nazi eagle. So in contrast with the lighter watch, this is a watch lighter. It's a lighter with a watch in it, as opposed to the opposite. And really nice, sleek design. And when you open it, it's a little rave, little party if you're out partying. And really nice flame as well. Great big blue flame. And the other one, this is just a regular one lighter. I found this on the ground. It's pretty filthy. And now for the grand finale, my pride and joy, the Gold Tiger. It's a plasma arch lighter, as you can see. Oh, it's got a button there on the side. This thing can literally melt through metal. Thin metal with low boiling points, but nevertheless it can burn through metal. That's a Crazy Steel guarantee, trademarked. Anyway, that's it. That's my lighter collection. Part 1. I'll make a second part at a later date. But as always, if you got the time, be sure to check out greekmarble.eu, and peace.